everybody, it's me, Myra, at Down Home Money, a simple approach to financial freedom. I hope you're doing well. It's Tuesday, it's my day, and I just want to share with you about one stock that I think you need to check out. Okay, are you ready? The stock is Gladstone Investment Corporation, GAIN. And so I want to just share with you a little about GAIN, GAIN. So I have been buying it now for, I don't know, probably about a year. But I started doing some research because a lot of things are so overvalued. And that's what got me looking at GAIN, because it doesn't seem to be as overvalued. So just to share with you a little bit about the company and what they do, Gladstone Investment Corporation, it's a private equity fund specializing in lower middle market acquisitions, mature stage, buyouts, recapitalizations, refinancing existing debt, senior debt securities such as senior loans, senior term loans, lines of credit, and senior notes. Senior subordinate debt securities such as senior subordinated loans and senior subordinated notes. Junior subordinated debt securities such as subordinated notes and mezzanine loans. Limited liability company interest and warrants or options. The fund does not invest in startups. The fund seeks to invest in manufacturing, consumer products, business services, distribution sector. It seeks to invest in small and mid-cap companies based in the U.S. The fund prefers to make debt investments between $5 and $30 million and equity investments between $10 and $40 million in companies. So anyway, it goes on and on. So I just wanted to kind of share it with you because you can go to their website and read a lot about it. So their website is gladstoneinvestment.com. Check that out. They have about 67 employees. They're based in McLean, Virginia. And right now, the PE ratio is 4.97. So this all came from Vanguard. The dividend yield, 5.10. The payout ratio is 25.12%, which is great, well below the 60% that, no more than 60% that we like to do. They pay out monthly, which y'all know I love monthly dividends. And currently they're paying 0.075 a share. The 52-week low for this stock is $9.71. The 52-week high is $17.10. It's currently trading at $16.46. I have a dividend tracker that I use, and it puts in like the historic valuation. Estimate is $29.95. So it's undervalued, according to that, by 45%. The average 5-year PE ratio is 6.48. So I went into Vanguard and got the big report on it. So you can see, it clearly says it's a buy. Can you see that? It's a buy, and out of 100 points, it has 79.7. And I love all the scores. It gives grades for everything. So for growth, it's a B+. For value, it's an A-. You can get all these reports, you guys. Check what brokerage you use. You can get all these reports so you can really study the stocks that you're looking at investing in. So for profitability, it got an A. Man, I wish I'd have gotten these great grades when I was in school. So here are all the scores. Cash flow, A-. Cash flow growth, A+. Interest coverage ratio is a C. Look at all those. So anyway, you can see those, the grades. I love all this. And then look at all the analyst reports. I mean, there's a lot of great reports. But for me, I kind of look at what all they've got going on and just determine what about buying some of it. I think you should buy some of it if you're looking for a good stock. I mean, right now we're all struggling finding stocks that look like they're, worth what we're paying per share. And based on everything I see here, this company is a great company and it's undervalued. So there's some room to grow for growth. So there's also profitability, and it has a low PE ratio. It has all the things we all look at. It has an A+ for cash flow. So I'm going to buy some more. It's A- for cash flow. And so I think I'm going to definitely buy some more of Gain to put in my portfolio. I love monthly dividends. A lot of us, we talk about quarterly dividends. This is a monthly dividend. And relatively low on the price per share. Right now trading in the 40-50 range. So I think it's a good stock for you to invest some money in, so you can start building that portfolio that throws you a passive income. And with it giving dividends monthly, your compounding is going to happen faster. You don't have to wait 3 months to get the dividend to reinvest. Here on this, it'll be monthly reinvestment, which I think that is just perfect. So I hope you will invest in this, and please give us some comments if you know any more information or want to help us with building this portfolio. A lot of y'all know I'm a novice. I started in March of last year, and I've built a really great passive income stream. My goal was $10,000 a month or $120,000 a year in passive income. I've sold some real estate and I've reinvested it. So you can see my portfolio. Once a month I post my portfolio so you can kind of see what I'm purchasing. I'm bobbing and weaving all the time. I'm selling some, buying some new ones. But I think that, right now I'm a little nervous, if I'm being honest, just because of the market and what's going on. So I have really been studying to make sure I'm buying quality stocks that throw me off a passive income with a dividend. So I love this one. So be sure and check it out. Gladstone Investment Corporation. The ticker is GAIN, GAIN. I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday. We will see you soon. Be sure and give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more videos of me sharing with you passive income streams, whether it's real estate or dividend stock investment or just life. That's what Down Home Money's all about. And if you haven't, be sure and pick up my book. It is on Amazon, Down Home Money, A Simple Approach to Financial Freedom. I also have it on Audible, and I read it. So if you don't like a Southern accent, you probably should get the paperback. All right, I'll see you next week, you guys. Thanks.